Hi guys, let's do a DIY hack for a winter rose cream blush. So I'm taking a saucepan, creating a water bath. All ingredients are 100% natural. Using a measuring cup, we're just going to take a few ingredients. We'll start with beeswax, right here. We use for nourishment, let's start with using a bit of avocado oil in your main bath. A bit of pink clay for color pigments, red clay, and Kaolin Clay. So I've already prepared a little one before. It's right here. I'm just going to add a little bit of this as well. And there you go, you have it. You're just going to pop it in, heat it up for a bit, and be back. We're back. It's all heated and melted. Now, as you can see, this is a light nude red. To change the color, you can either add a little bit of mica or more Australian clay. We have a little bit of pink lilac mica over here. Just going to add a little bit of that, just a tinge. Mix all the ingredients. Once it's back down to room temperature, we're just going to pour them in these small 5-gram jars.